Up in buckets, where the game hits hard.
Bronny on the floor, got the crowd in a trance. Crossed him at the logo, left him stuck in a stance. 17 points, man, the shots have finesse. Handle so smooth, they gotta call it a caress. Young king in the making, out here claiming his fame. Got the arena screaming out, Bronny James dishing dimes, hitting threes. He ain't here to pretend. From rebounds to assists, he's way ahead of the trend. Over the Bucks, turn the luck into skill. 17's just a taste, best believe that's what it's spill. No look passes, vision sharper than glass. Shuttle runs so quick, defender stuck in the past. Legacy heavy, but he carries it light. Son of a legend, but he carves his own fight. Feet dance like Ali, ball flips like a dream. Bronny's court vision, next level supreme. Ops let it fly, but he swatted them shots. Turnover kings, Bronny's tying the knots. Fast breaks, transition, the speed stay intact. He's adding fresh paint to that family contract. Young king in the making, out here claiming his fame. Got the arena screaming out, Bronny James dishing dimes, hitting threes. He ain't here to pretend. From rebounds to assists, he's way ahead of the trend. For the Bucks, turn the luck into skill. 17's just a taste, best believe there's more to spill. No look passes, vision sharper than glass. Shuttle runs so quick, defender stuck in the past. Over the Bucks, turn the luck into skill. 17's just a taste, best believe there's more to spill. No look passes, vision sharper than glass. Shuttle runs so quick, defender stuck in the past. Legacy heavy, but he carries it light. Son of a legend, but he carves his own fight. Feet dance like Ali, ball flips like a dream. Bronny's court vision, next level supreme. Ops let it fly, but he's swatting the shots. Turnover kings, Bronny's tying the knots. Fast breaks, transition, the speed stay intact. He's adding fresh paint to that family contract. Young king in the making, out here claiming his fame. Got the arena screaming out, Bronny James dishing dimes, hitting threes. He ain't here to pretend. From rebounds to assists, he's way ahead of the trend.